Ito ang mensahe ng past person mo, Scorpio. I feel you even though we are apart. I knew exactly what I was doing. I wish I could share my good news with you. I wish I could take back my words. I look for you everywhere. I hide behind material things. Ang mensahe para sa'yo. Manifesting is the creative process of aligning with the energy of the universe to co-create an experience that elevates my spirit and the spirit of the world. Ang mensahe para sa'yo na yung pagmamanifest, malaki yung naitutulong nun sa buhay natin.